The Hybag Automationen AG from Switzerland is specialized in developing and producing machines and installations in the field of environmental technology. The Hybag Automationen AG made a particular name for itself with mechanical treatment installations of organic municipal waste. Municipal waste mainly consists of out-of-date food, rejected food batches from the food industry, as well as kitchen and vegetable waste. It is delivered both with and without packaging. The delivery of the raw goods takes place in containers or bins. The raw goods are emptied into a tipping trough with a volume of 25 cubic meters. The tipping trough is lifted by two hydraulic cylinders so that the raw goods slide into an exit conveyor. With this conveyor, the raw goods are transported out of the tipping trough and dropped into a hopper by the external spiral conveyor. Large packaging units are partially ripped open during the transport. The hopper has a volume of 30 cubic meters, so that the total short-term reception capacity of this facility amounts to 55 cubic meters. In the hopper, the raw materials are mixed by two big spirals and transported to the exit conveyor. During the organic waste is fed as required from the hopper to the separation hammer mill for further treatment, the quick emptied tipping trough can be loaded with new material. The conveyor system transports the material from the hopper to the separation hammer mill. The electronic rotation control. The fed material will be adjusted to the processing capacity of the separation hammer mill. In the Hybag separation mill, the raw goods will be depacked and crushed. In this process, the organic matter will be reduced to fine particles with an average particle size of 3 to 6 millimeters and collected in a pressure tank as a pumpable substrate. In order to keep the substrate liquid and pumpable, the separation hammer mill needs process water for the treatment of relative dry material. The process water is consisted mainly of rain and cleaning water and is fed from the used water tank to the separation hammer mill according to the requirements. The regulation of the pneumatic pump system and the whole installation is monitored in the control room. All functions can be controlled manually or automatically from here. The level gauge in the pressure tank controls the automatic feeding of the substrate through a pipe system in the buffer tanks. The mechanically treated materials can be additionally hygienized by a thermal treatment. The share of extraneous materials in the substrate is less than 1% of volume. The patented separation technology ejects all kinds of packing materials and foreign matters like knives, forks, strings, bands, etc. without adhered organics. The rejected materials are transported by a conveyor to a container. The substrate, stored in the buffer tanks, is transported to biogas plants for further treatment. In biogas plants, the substrate is used to produce energy.